Lophophora is one of the thousands of genus of the Cactaceae family. Its populations are located from South Texas to north central and northeast Mexico. It is a fat and semicircular plant, presents colors similar to green and blue depending on the species and variety. It takes more than 10 years to get a first flower and offspring, if it is not grafted, and in some cases more than 30 years to create a colony of thousands of Lophophoras, all of them taking nutrients from the same stem. There are two principal Lophophora species, Williamsi and diffusa. Then, Corresi is a variety of diffusa, while Frichi is a variety from Williamsi. A new species was discovered in this decade, which is named Lophophora alberto. Here in Mexico, many plants from all families have been used for medical applications, and Lophophora are included on this list. These type of plants, better known here in Mexico as peyotes, are located on semi-desert ecosystems. Mostly all populations are part of the North Mexican ecosystem. Huicholes that live near Huiricuta region consider this plant as a gift from their gods. They consider that if they consume this plant, they can get connected with their gods and ask them for help. Also, its meaning is the creation of the universe. In culture, they believe that the first living organism created was a Lophophora that resided on the Huiricuta region. Then this plant bloomed and created thousands of seeds, and that was the way in which life was created in this universe. Is there any scientific evidence of this transcendence by the consumption of peyote? Cactuses have an average of 55 organic compounds, but the one which has more psychological impact is named mescaline. This substance is responsible for creating hallucinations and disturbs in all the nervous system. That is the reason why huicholes can contact their gods when they consume any type of Lophophora. Talking about ethnobiology, the use of Lophophora is better used on solutions for relaxing the nervous system, dermatological use, or when a virus is produced on the body. Scientists have discovered that Lophophora has similar effects to marijuana and can be used to treat diseases such as Alzheimer, amnesia, and psychological pathologies. The problem with this is that Lophophora is growing a very shorter rate than marijuana, and its production costs thousands of dollars every year. Recovering information about this passage, not only about Lophophoras, many Mexican plants have been used for medical practices such as orchids, another great example of Mexican ethnobotanics. Nature has thousands of secrets that can be useful for humanity, and that can bring many benefits for our health or for sustaining a daily necessity. Most of our resources, such as food and drugs, come from plants and other organisms. What I wish with this creation is that people make conscience and start taking care of planet Earth. Maybe we can see the damage we have done to the nature, but if we continue on this way, we will get extinct with our own planet.